Dear students, Assalamu alaikum, chapter 4, and the topic has chosen here, that is photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? You all know. The photosynthesis is the food making process of green plants. So this photosynthesis occurs in presence of 4 factors. What are those? Sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. And do you think all these factors are taking part together? No. That's why photosynthesis has divided into 2 stages. Stage number A, light dependent stage, and stage B, light independent stage. And the factors that are involved in light dependent stage are sunlight, chlorophyll and water. And the factors that are involved in light independent stage, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide. Though the whole photosynthesis process takes place in chloroplast. Now come to the next point. What are their objectives? The objectives of light dependent stage are ATP formation, photolysis of water and NADPH2 formation. Now come to the first point. What is ATP formation? ATP is a kind of energy coil in plants and animals, and its full form is adenosine triphosphate. And what are the composition of this ATP? It is A means adenosine, a kind of protein combined with inorganic phosphate group with 5-carbon ribose sugar, and together make ATP, and is supply energy within the cells. You know, thousands of cellular activities occurring within all living cells, and this ATP is supplying energy for any of them. So now come to the next one, photolysis of water. So meaning is lying here. This lysis means breakdown and photo means light. So breakdown of water means water is breaking down in presence of light. That if I say in one word, then it would be the breaking down of water in presence of light in the chlorophyll into hydrogen ion, oxygen molecule and electron is called photolysis of water. Now come to the third point. What is that? NADPH2. This is also another kind of energy molecule. So what is it doing? It also supply energy in photosynthesis light independent stage. So what's the full form of this? Its full form is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen, and it is used to reduce carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrate or lipid or protein in light independent stage. So now come these 3 things are happening, occurring or producing in light dependent stage. What are the objectives in light independent stage? In light independent stage, one of the most important thing, that is the food for the plant is producing. What is that? That is carbohydrate. After production of carbohydrate, this carbohydrate is used for another process for respiration, and this respiration can produce more ATPs for the cells of the living organisms. So let's see what is happening next. We already have learned 3 of the things are produced in light dependent stage. How ATP is produced in plants in 2 cell organelles that involve production of ATP. What are those? Mitochondria and plastid. And now we are talking about plastid. So if I talk about the plastid or chloroplast, where the ATP is producing, you need to know the structure of the chloroplast. You know the chloroplast is a double layer membrane bounded cell organelle, and inside there is a disc-like structure which contains chlorophyll, and many discs together that is called thylakoid, and many thylakoids stay in group is called granum, and the liquid fill the chloroplast is called stroma, and the ATP mainly formation takes place in the membrane of thylakoid. So what is happening in the thylakoid? The energy is absorbed from the sunlight by the chlorophyll presence in the thylakoid, and that letting or the energy from food molecules letting ADP to combine with inorganic phosphate and turning into ATP. Then when the cell needed for other activities within the cell, then release one molecule of inorganic phosphate and it is turning again into ADP, and it is a circular process always happening within the cell. Water is entering through the xylem to the leaves, reaching to the leaves and entering to the chloroplast in thylakoid membrane. So here the energy that from the sunlight it is absorbing is as photon, and that energy from the photon is used to break down the water into hydrogen ion, oxygen molecule and electron. Now come to the NADPH2 formation. This is also takes place in the thylakoid. That means we have learned all these things are occurring in the thylakoid. That means thylakoid contain chlorophyll. So in presence of light. So here what is happening here? Already in the stroma has NADP plus. That NADP plus combined with hydrogen ion and turning into NADPH2 using electron. That means produced in photolysis of water. That hydrogen ion and electron using NADP plus turning into NADPH2. And these three things are produced in light dependent state. Let's discuss about the light dependent states. Light dependent stage is occurring in the stroma of the chloroplast. What is happening there? The carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the stomata enter to the leaves and reach to the chloroplast, and there chloroplast already has a compound which is called RUBP, and this carbon dioxide going to combine with RUBP and producing first stable compound which is called phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid contains 3 carbon molecule and it is the first double compound, and to production of PGA need energy, and that energy is given by the ATP produced in light dependent stage. By the hydrolysis of NADPH2, another kind of molecule is turning into what is that? GTP, guanosine triphosphate. And how many molecules? 6 molecules. And NADP is going to be hydrolyzed here and releasing electron and turning into NADP plus and coming back to the thylakoid again. And after that, one molecule of GTP going to produce a part of glucose molecule, and rest of the 5 GTPA molecule, that means guanosine triphosphate, again using the energy from ATP and turning into RUBP. From 6 molecule of carbon dioxide, 1 molecule entering and producing a part of glucose and regeneration of RUBP occurring, and by this way 6 molecule of carbon dioxide entering to the stroma, and this cycle goes on 6 times to produce 1 molecule of glucose. The 3 of the stages have divided here. The first stage when the PGA is producing, that time carbon dioxide going to be fixed, that's why it is called carbon dioxide fixation. Then reducing of NADPH2 and producing from PGA into GTP, and that stage is called carbon dioxide reduction stage. And again from GTP RUBP is producing or regenerating, that's why third stage name is given RUBP regeneration stage. And by this way the light independent stage completing for the production of glucose.